In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in Jira. We'll walk through the entire process from inside a project, so even if you're new to Jira, you'll be able to follow along. Make sure you're already logged in to your Jira account and that you have access to at least one project where you can create forms. First, open the project where you want to add your form. You can do this from your Jira home screen by selecting the appropriate project from your project list or sidebar. This is important because forms are tied to specific projects, and any responses will create or update issues within that project. Once you're inside the project, look for the Forms option in the left-hand navigation panel. Depending on your Jira configuration, it might appear directly as Forms or under a section related to project settings or work management. Go ahead and click on Forms. This will take you to the area where all existing forms for this project are listed and where you can create new ones. On the Forms page, you'll see an option to create a new form. Choose the option for a blank form. Selecting a blank form is helpful when you want full control over every question and field instead of starting from a pre-built template. Click on blank form to open the form builder. After that, Jira may prompt you to select one of the available issue types or configurations to associate with the form. For example, you might link the form to a task, bug, or service request type, depending on what the form will be used for. Choose the option that best matches the type of work you want this form to create or manage. This choice affects which fields are available and how the submitted information appears in Jira issues. With that selected, you'll be taken to the form builder where you can now customize your form. Here, you can change the form title to something clear and descriptive so your team knows exactly what it's for. Add fields by dragging and dropping them into the canvas or by clicking to insert them. You can include short text fields for brief answers, long text areas for detailed descriptions, drop-downs for predefined choices, checkboxes, and more, depending on your project's field configuration. As you customize, think about the information your team truly needs. Try to keep the form straightforward, grouping related questions together and using clear labels and instructions. You can also adjust which fields are required so you always capture critical details. When you're happy with the structure and content, review the form one more time to make sure everything makes sense from the perspective of someone filling it out.